Dell Latitude E7270 power issue. As you can see, this is in fully dead condition. So even we can't see the charging light here, no indicator at all. As you can see, we have a charger here, and this is with the light, so we can easily, if we add, so there is totally, this is in dead condition. So we'll sort out what is the issue. We'll open the laptop and then I will show you what is the issue. Now the first thing we need to do, we need to remove the battery. Just remove the battery and then add your charger, and then see here if any light indicator, so that means this is still in dead condition. And after that I just remove all the RAMs one by one, or you can check one by one, because sometime one RAM can be short, so still no response from the computer. So we will remove again the second RAM and again check with the charger, and if still, then we have to remove CMOS battery. And this is our last hope. So after that we have to check, but if still, now we will bring the meter and we check the voltages, that voltages are coming to the motherboard from the adapter and also the jack, DC jack. After removing CMOS battery, just remove the charger and put again, and then as you can see, finally we are getting the signals. So that means it was CMOS batteries issue, so we can replace and then done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobu for more educational videos. So that's all for now.